Punto Plataforma residential complex by FRB Arquitectos Asociados in El Rosedal, Mexico. Plataforma Point is a complex located in the El Rosedal community, Santa María Colotepec, Oaxaca, on a seaside plot. 8 villas are organically and strategically placed on the orthogonal 3,560 square meter plot, seeking simplicity, an informal, simple, and natural environment, with shaded and cool paths that allow discovering the different views of the place. The villas are designed based on a square module of 4.5 meters that houses different programs inside. The villas consist of 6 modules, 3 on the ground floor for the living room, kitchen, dining room, and bedroom, and 3 on the upper floor, including the master bedroom, secondary bedroom, and a flexible central module that can be converted into a terrace or a room. The villas have a perimeter circulation designed to have a dual function, solar protection, and a relationship with the landscape and the community. The interior spaces allow for cross-ventilation, promoting a natural relationship with the exterior. Oakwood and walls and floors covered with earth-colored coatings from the region are the chosen materials to respectfully adapt to the location. The common areas are non-constructed spaces, including meeting areas, gardens, and water. Plataforma Point started in 2020, began construction in January 2021, and is expected to be completed in April 2023, falling under the category of architecture and interior design for hospitality.